Hi students, so this is last year Form 2 National Assessment Test, and this is actually question number 8, question number 8B, na ni swali ambalo lina connection na topic ya congruence ambayo tumeicover recently, tunaendelea kuicover kwenye channel hii. Kwa tuone swali linasemaje. In the following figure BE bisect DEF. Kwa hiyo BE ana bisect DEF, kwa engo hii hapa na engo hiyo hapo ziko sawa. And we are given also DE equals to FE. Students were supposed to prove that BEF is congruent to triangle BEF is congruent to triangle BED. So here is a proof. So we are going to say that in triangle BEF and triangle, which is triangle BED. So in these two triangles actually we have, we are going now to consider all those given conditions. So we were given that actually, FE equals to DE. Sorry, FE equals to ED. FE equals to DE, and this is actually given information. Okay, but also BE is common side. BE, this is actually common side, and angle BED, so angle BED equals to angle FEB. FEB, lakini unge interchange positions ni much better, kwa sababu tunaanza na conditions za triangle hii afu zinafuata hizi hapa. Lakini again, this is actually given information. How do we know? We were informed that BE bisect DEF. Kama hivyo ndivyo, manake triangle BEF na triangle BED zitakuwa ni congruent kwa condition ya side angle side. Kwa therefore triangle BEF is congruent to triangle BED, and this is actually by using side angle side theorem. Kwa hivyo ndio ambavyo wanafunzi walitakiwa wajibu swali hili. You can refer to discussion of the topic in the channel. See you in the other comment session.